Today's recipe is one pot egg recipe, which is known as Khageena. I've already made this recipe years ago, so I thought why not refilm this recipe. So here I will be using 8 room temperature eggs. These are around large eggs. 1 tomato, which is around 120 grams. Chopped onions, which is 1 medium size onion. It is also 120 grams. Here I will be using 2.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, which is around 1 bulb or 15 cloves. Here I have chopped 2 large green chilies. I will be using spicy red chili powder, which is around a teaspoon, or you can use as per your spice level. Here I'm using salt as per taste. I will be using around 1/4 cup of cooking oil, but if I need more, I will add more while making this recipe. And I've also got half a bunch of cilantro. If you have coriander or kothmeer, you can most certainly use that. So let's start making this delicious Khageena recipe. Let's begin this recipe by cracking the eggs, and make sure not to break the yolk. Try avoiding breaking the yolks. I've just completed cracking the eggs. Let's move on to the next step. And here you've seen by mistake one of the yolk broke. Just avoid that. To a warm wok, add oil. This is 1/4 cup of oil, so I think I'll need a little more. So I'll just add a little more oil. I'm adding another 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'll wait till the oil becomes a little warm before adding in the onions. Now the oil has warmed up a bit. I will be adding my chopped onions. And right now my flame is on medium, and we will fry these onions till they are translucent or transparent. I will also be adding my salt at this point of time because I want the onions to release its moisture, and this will cook the onions faster as well. So now I'll continue frying till it's transparent. The onions have turned a little transparent. At this point of time, I will add in my chopped green chilies and saute it for less than 30 seconds. And now I will add in the prepared garlic paste. This is homemade garlic paste. And saute this also for less than a minute and a half. And my flame is still on medium. Now after a minute, I'm adding in the chopped tomatoes. And I will cook these tomatoes till they turn a little soft, and occasionally stir. The tomatoes have been cooking since about 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the oil has come to the surface. At this point of time, I will be adding my red chili powder. I do not add any other spices for this recipe. So I'll just saute this on same medium flame for 30 seconds. Now I will lower my flame and I will start adding the eggs that we've cracked, and always try to make sure that all the egg yolks are intact. Only this one didn't turn out like that, but anyway. So slowly pour in a yolk at a time and try not to crowd the pan. So try to put the eggs as a little far as possible, and if they're a bit close, it doesn't matter, but it's best if they're not that close. I will let this cook till the egg whites start cooking, and then slowly I will turn the egg yolk upside down so that the egg yolks are also cooked through and through. So keep your flame on low to medium. I will also be adding some cilantro at this point of time, and in between just gently try to turn the eggs, and lower your flame to the lowest because you don't want the egg whites burning and you don't want the egg yolks burning as well. Try avoiding breaking the yolks. If they break, that's fine, but try to avoid breaking the yolk. I'll cover this and cook it for 2 minutes covered, and then I'll come back to check on it. Okay, it's been a minute and a half, and I'll check on the eggs. The egg white still needs to be cooked here in the middle, so I will again cover and continue cooking it for another minute, and then I'll check it again. Let's check. It's been a minute, and now you can see the oil is coming to the surface. At this point of time, I will start turning the eggs gently, making sure not to break the yolk. You can see after turning the egg yolk, you can see the egg whites are cooking here. And I'm trying my best not to break the yolk because I like my Khageena with whole yolks. It tastes really good. And my mom makes it this way, and I have continued cooking Khageena in my mother's style. Now if you like scramble the egg here, then it becomes anda bhurji, but I prefer, I make Khageena this way. Try not to break the yolks. And keep your flame on the lowest to avoid the eggs from burning. Now I've turned all the yolks upside down, and I will cover and cook. Now you see, I by mistake touched this yolk and it broke, but anyway. I will cover and cook till it's done. It's been 5 minutes since I covered to cook this Khageena, and let's check on how it's done. Khageena is now ready to serve. If you've liked my video so far, please subscribe to my channel. Please give it a like. Please share it with your family and friends. This delicious Khageena is ready to serve. You can serve this Khageena with bread, paratha, naan, whatever you like. And I will leave the link of the related recipes down. And please watch my other egg recipes. I will leave the link for those videos in my description box below. Delicious Khageena is ready to serve. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!